Oh, what's up, YouTube? Today's vlog, we're going to discuss some audio issues you may have encountered with the GoPro Hero 7, as far as having a external microphone and getting some cracking and popping sounded, like I did in my previous video. And it's a very simple fix. There's not a lot of literature or even videos on it, but it's just as simple as a setting in your GoPro app or on your GoPro settings on the actual camera. It's the Pro Tune settings. GoPro from the factory, when you set it up, it sets it up for auto as far as which microphone it wants to use internally. You have a stereo only, and then you have a wind only option. Well, or an auto option. And when it's set in auto, it tends to want to go in between the wind only and the stereo only, which really kind of confuses the sound of the camera. The simple fix is to set it on either or. As you'll see in this video, you will hear all the popping or crackling sounds from the last video. It seems to be a very hot topic on some forums on how to fix, but nobody was really telling anybody, telling them, oh, check your connection, so get a new microphone, things like that. And that's just not the case of what you have to do. There's my fiance and her beautiful green Honda Civic. But anyway, we're not going to make a very long video today, but we're just going to show you the difference in the audio from last video to this video. Alright guys, I don't know what's up with that red light here lately, but it seems to want to last forever. But if I would have had my GoPro in the same settings that I had it in the previous video, by now you would hear the cracking and popping going about 47 miles per hour. So I haven't listened to this video yet, but I am pretty confident that there is no cracking and popping going on in the audio right now. And the external microphone I'm using right now is called the Giant Squid. It is a mono microphone, not a stereo microphone, but it will record in stereo. You'll be able to tell. I was using the Purple Panda. I was thinking it may be a hardware issue with that actual lapel microphone, but I don't think it was. I will try it again, maybe on the next vlog, and see if it has the same result or maybe even better sound than the one I'm using now. And I'll make my choice then, which one I'll use primarily for my vlogs. Yeah, GoPro has changed their camera's sound, or the ability to capture sound in the last few generations of the camera. I know the GoPro 5 made it where you had to use the actual mic adapter, and it seems like the quality just went down from the 4. The 4 had amazing quality sound. I know because I have one, and you could hook it up directly to the micro USB port and you can hook your external microphone up and it sounded great. But even the two microphones that was on the camera, they sounded better than the Hero 7 to me. I mean, but that's just me. I guess that may be just the way I'm hearing it. We're gonna catch all these red lights today. There we go. Couple of cops out today. I can't really be hooning around. Pretty nice evening to ride anyway. And making this video is giving me an excuse to actually get out and get some miles on the bike. Right now I'm doing about 63 miles per hour, and other than maybe a little bit of wind noise coming from the helmet, shouldn't hear any of the popping or the crackling. Should be a little clearer. Tomorrow I will do another vlog. I will go over a couple of key subjects that seem to be pretty popular in the bike world, you know, as far as questions people ask and things like that. And then Thursday we take our trip to the Tail of the Dragon up in Tennessee. And we'll vlog that. We'll be there for about 3 or 4 days. We'll vlog, or I'll vlog every day of that trip, more than likely. Some of the trip will be just cruising around. You know, we'll hit the skyline, things like that. Not necessarily just the Dragon. There's a lot of good roads up there. There really is. Only thing bad about it is it's hard to upload up there as far as anything to YouTube or to your cloud due to the poor internet service around. At the Dragon, you don't really have any cell phone service until you're actually off of it, and the only Wi-Fi service is there at the Killboy station. If you ever want to go to a place that you can just get away from everybody and not have to worry about air people calling you and things like that, take a trip up to the Dragon. It just gives you an excuse to get up there, I guess. But this bike sounds amazing. That quick shifter ain't no joke. Nice looking red Camaro. Then again, I will probably make some videos also with some Camaro content. Though I don't know, I have a 2018 Camaro SS. Nothing special. It's a nice car to me. May take it up to the track, drag it a couple times, film that, make some vlogs on that, show you how slow that car is. Might even take this bike up there and see what kind of times the ZX6R can get. I'm not thinking it'll be too fast, but still be fun to see. Local track down here at Alabama International Dragway. It's up in Still, Alabama. It's a pretty nice track. It's a long wait when you're on the test and tune days. There's a lot of people that tries to get up there and actually tune, test, or just hoon. And you're not gonna get a real good time as far as like if you were actually racing on the Sunday, because they don't really prep the track, you know, like they would during competition races. But there's a little bit of prep. Get it, truck. A Challenger sitting over there. Is that a C5? Clip that out of there. Why does every time I try and hoon on it, it seems to be a cop right there? But anyways, not too busy out today. Gen 4 Camaro. Don't see a lot of them anymore on the road. Guys, we'll go ahead and cut this video short. Like I said, this was just to show you how to fix your GoPro, basically 5 through 7, every series basically, because you have to use the same mic adapter, and the presets will come out the same. So if you got that cracking and popping sound, just go to your Pro Tune settings. Set it on stereo only or wind only. I set it on stereo only, and I let the little dead squirrel on the microphone do the wind guard for me. Seems like the sound quality was a little better, as far as it was kind of muffled when you put it on wind only. But anyway, guys, let's have a nice day, guys. If you're riding today, be safe, keep it rubber side down. One last thing, guys, one of the most important things I forgot to mention, if you like this video, go ahead and hit a like. If you don't like it, hit a dislike. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, let you know when we post videos. But until then, guys, we out.